Today I'm going to show you the heavy-duty manual knife sharpener from Master Grade. What I love about this sharpener is that it's easy to use and efficient. It'll sharpen your knives in just a few strokes. It's heavy-duty and has some weight to it, which tells you about the quality. The material that your knife sharpener is made of really matters. Master Grade uses the highest grade of tungsten, a natural rare metal compound, which means you're going to get a smoother and more precise sharpening every single time. The Master Grade manual sharpener was engineered and designed by highly skilled knife masters. It feels amazing in my grip. It's smooth, stable, flame resistant. It's non-slip and comes in 3 different cool colors: blue, orange, and lime. Plus, it doesn't matter if you want to use it with your right or left hand, it works either way. Now I would like to demonstrate to you how amazing the Master Grade sharpener is. Here I have a knife that I just made a few strokes with through the sharpener, and it's razor sharp, as I'll demonstrate here with this piece of paper. Sharp, right? Here I have a steel plate. Let me dull this knife just to show you how effective this sharpener really is. It's dull now. As you can see, it's not cutting the paper. Now, let me show you how amazing the Master Grade knife sharpener is. I'll take the knife, which you see I've clearly dulled, and I'm going to do a few strokes, and it's not excessive pressure at all. I'm going very gently. Typically, 2 or 3 strokes are sufficient. However, you saw me beat this knife up, so I'm going to do 4 or 5. And now let's check this out. And the Master Grade sharpener works really well on curved knives. All you do is just follow the blade and the curve all the way through. Another great feature I love about this is that it's very easy to clean. So you just move the wheels, releasing any of the debris of the steel, and you just tap it, and it's perfectly clean for you. This isn't like your average V-shaped manual sharpener. Let me show you a couple. Here I have these, and you can see inside how they're constructed. The problem with those sharpeners is that as they work, they only come into direct contact with the blade on one specific point. And therefore, it is impossible to maintain the stability and sharpness of the blade from tip to heel. So this means that eventually you're going to have a wavy blade and make your knives useless. To prevent this, Master Grade has created a 6-disc design which allows a more stable support throughout the blade as you sharpen. This sharpener is going to last for years. I know it can be tricky buying kitchen tools like this online. You don't always know where they're coming from or what they're made of. Keep your knives and skills chef sharp with the Master Grade manual sharpener. Easy to use, easy to clean, easy to store.